Hi, my name is Julius Tuomisto.
And I'm Janne Karhu.
And together we make up Delicode. Welcome to our head offices and studio in Helsinki. About a year ago, when the Kinect first launched, we kind of quickly noticed that this is actually the device that we want to develop for. We also kind of quickly noticed that even though there were a lot of developers who were actually picking up the device, a lot of people were also getting left out of the loop.
So we really felt that we could make a difference in the situation by creating software that both designers and artists could use without having to code anything. So we started developing NiMate, and now after roughly 8 months of development, we're getting ready to release the software.